Hello friends, have you ever seen this in Excel? A cell with numbers like this, that is separated by comma. And thought, can I just sum these up without splitting them across rows or columns? The answer is yes. And Excel has a cool way to do it. All with one powerful formula. Let's get started. Here is our dataset. These numbers are separated by comma and inside one cell. If you try to apply some function to get the total, it won't work, because Excel sees it as text. First, select the B2 cell, and type this formula. Here, A2 is the cell reference where our comma-separated numbers are stored. That's text, not real numbers. So, Excel can't sum that directly. Comma inside quotes tells Excel to split the text at each comma. It's important to put the comma in quotes, because Excel treats it as a text delimiter, not an operator. TEXTSPLIT function splits the contents of cell A2 into individual parts, wherever there's a comma. But note, these are still text strings, not real numbers yet. So when you press enter, it won't work. Now the magic trick. Just add double minus before the TEXTSPLIT function. It forces Excel to convert each text item from the split into a number. Think of it as Excel's translator from text to number. The first minus turns the text into a negative number, and the second minus flips it back to positive. Now that all the split values are real numbers, and some can add them up like normal, finally press enter and done. And that's it. If you love this time-saving Excel tricks, smash that like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more easy tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.